This morning we are making the Blender Wheat Pancakes. I think I made these a long time ago with the old Osterizer blender, but now I have a Blendtec, and I know it did take a while in my Osterizer. It did work pretty fast in my Blendtec when I just did it on speed 4. I'm on my second batch versus using one of the pre-programmed buttons. The family seems to like it because it has some good texture. I'm sure if I blend it longer, it will get rid of some more of the texture. But they do like the flavor. The first batch I made with real eggs. The second batch I'm going to try my powdered eggs and just see how it compares.